Study Bibles are a great way to find supporting references and commentary that go along with the passage you're reading, but oftentimes print versions can be too large to manage. With Logos, you can link your favorite translation with your study Bible notes of choice and create a custom study Bible that goes everywhere you do. First, open up your favorite translation by inputting its abbreviation into the command box. For this video, I'll type in NIV and select this option from the list below. Then I'll add my favorite study Bible notes by going back to the command box and entering the abbreviation for the Faith Life Study Bible, and then select this option from the drop-down. And notice how Logos opens the Faith Life Study Bible to the passage I'm working in. Now, to link the NIV translation with the FSB notes, click the panel menu button and choose Link Set A. Then do the same thing in the other panel. Now, when I scroll in my Bible, the Faith Life Study Bible scrolls with me. When I jump to a text like Acts 16, the study Bible notes jump with me, giving me instant access to up-to-date commentary, brilliant images, and links to informative articles. Reading the study Bible notes alongside the biblical text, I learn a great deal about the character Lydia. For example, the note on 16:14 comments on her economic status, telling me that Lydia was a textile merchant and equipped with some level of financial means. Then by clicking the small plus sign, I read that although Lydia resided in Philippi, she was originally from the city of Thyatira, a region of Asia. Thyatira was a region of Asia where Paul originally wanted to advance the gospel, but was detoured by the Holy Spirit. Yet in God's providence, Paul was able to minister and preach the gospel to people from that area after all. Below this note is a still standing wall from Lydia's hometown. By opening the image in a new window, Logos allows me to right-click the image and send it to my presentation. Now I can share the significance of Lydia's background in a visual way.